Hey everyone, so when I updated my iPhone to iOS 15 and I connected it to my Mac, I started to have this kind of problem. So contents of iPhone could not be read, click restore. And I had like iPhone menu popping up like every few minutes, like on my Mac when I had like iPhone connected, and then I just, yeah, I couldn't, like, it was just a bit annoying. Um, and probably will hold, or you can also have issues with iPhone backup. So that's that. But like what worked for me, like I just restarted my Mac and that solved the problem. You can also do like a safe reboot or followed by a simple reboot. So you can just Google like the safe restart on Mac, what you can do. Um, Also, you can just run in terminal like this command. Maybe that can be helpful. So a lot of people said that this problem can be solved by this, and probably this issue is connected to photos.app. So there you have it. If you have some similar issues, just leave it in the comments below. Interesting to know.